Spamandla, we don't believe as an ANC it's a blow. I think as the ANC is that when you go to court because there is a strong conviction that you have, a principle that you stand on, and then you believe that the court must mediate on, and then you might lose or win court cases based on technicalities, but the principle remains and the statement must be made. And for us as the ANC, the statement and the most important question is that a scammer came and tried to appropriate the name, the brand, and the symbol of the ANC for his own benefit. It's politics of impersonation, which is done by Mr. Zuma in this particular task. And then our responsibility as this current leadership is to be able to better prepare and respond to future leadership, who will then ask us that at one stage there was an arm wing, a liberational arm wing of the movement which was aimed to liberate our people, which was used by the ANC. Why is it now associated with this particular individual? What is it that as the current leaders you have done to ensure that you fight and defend that? We should be able to rise and say to them, we challenge it all the way from High Court to up until the Constitutional Court. So as a matter of principle, the ANC must continuously challenge this particular matter. I can tell you, Spamandla, the ANC will not have problem with Mr. Zuma if he were to open his own political party. But don't associate that with our brand, history, and heritage. For example, Mr. Zuma has been confusing people. At times saying he remains the member, at times saying no, you want to correct the ANC. Well, you know why he does that? He does that because he knows that he's not a brand as an individual. The brand is the ANC. Why now he wants to appropriate the name. Now, if you do that, Spamandla, you are literally playing into the hand of a scammer who want to then mobilize sympathy. The ANC will respond to this particular matter, but at its time, as we speak, the ANC have suspended the man. It's enough. We should be focusing on more pressing and important issue, which is to mobilize our people to vote for the ANC.